Zara invented a time machine to do her homework. It all started when Zara became a little celebrity at her school after inventing the Echo Bin robot binny. But being a good student takes a lot of time and effort. And with all the extra homework she was getting, Zara was starting to feel like she had too much work and too little time. So instead of complaining, she decided to do what she does best: invent something amazing. One night, fueled by cocoa and curiosity, she built a tiny time travel watch. This watch can jump into the future and copy the homework from her future self. But will it work? And more importantly, will it be able to change the future? Find out in part 2.